Harold loved to draw. He started drawing when he was 5 years old. When he was 5, he went to a museum and saw all these amazing drawings and told his mom, "I want to be just like them." His mom said, "Maybe someday your art will be up on the walls." And since then, he had drawn something every day. When Harold was 10, he saw a flyer for a drawing competition. The theme was environmental awareness. The first place winner would get $100. So Harold was super excited. He told his parents about it and they started to panic because they didn't want him to find out that he wasn't a good artist. So they told Harold what they really thought about his artwork. "So you don't think I'm good?" he asked. They shook their heads. Harold was so upset that he tore up his art and locked himself in his room. At night, his parents went to his room to give him his dinner. "Son, we feel really bad. We think it's great that you want to keep drawing. So your mother and I decided to sign you up for art lessons," Harold's dad said. Harold ran up to his parents and gave them a hug.